So guys, let us try to discuss the abnormal pupillary reflexes. The first is the Argyll-Robertson pupil. We have bilateral lesion of the pretectal nucleus. Therefore, both the sides light reflex is absent. While if we talk about accommodation reflex, there we have lateral genucleate body and not the pretectal nucleus. So both the sides accommodation reflex is present. Now, if you compare both sides have absence of light reflex, both sides have presence of accommodation reflex, so we have isochoria. On the other hand, if I see the Eddy's tonic pupil, here we have unilateral lesions of the ciliary ganglion. Now, because these lesions are unilateral, the affected side have all the reflexes absent and the normal side will have all the reflexes present. Therefore, here we have the unilateral lesions leading to anisocoria. So, a very important difference between the two is isochoria and the anisocoria. Coming to the third one, this is the RAPD, that is the relative afferent pupillary defect. Very important, also called as the Marcus gun pupil. Here it is the earliest manifestation of the optic nerve defect. So whenever we have any optic nerve defect, it can be optic nerve trauma, it can be tumors, it can be optic neuritis, it can be CRAO, it can be CRVO. I am going to get RAPD there and you can test it by the swinging flashlight test. While the fourth one, that is also called as the Hutchison's pupil. Now, Hutchison's pupil is actually resulting whenever there is a raised ICT, we have meningeal irritation. So, due to the irritation, first I'll get constriction of the pupillary reflexes, I'll get the constriction, I'll get the pupillary reflexes, but finally permanent there will be third nerve palsy and therefore pupil is dilated. So you have seen the Argyll-Robertson pupil, you have seen the tonic pupil, you have seen the RAPD, also called as the Marcus gun pupil. While so I hope